this is how you're going to create automatic email reply in Hostinger. So first thing is you're going to log into each panel, and then you're going to head over to emails right here from the left side of your screen. And then from the email section, you're going to click on mailboxes for you to be able to open your webmail. So from here, you're going to click on automatic reply right here, and then you're just going to click on create an automatic reply, and it will take you to this create an automatic reply page. So from here, you can customize your automatic reply. You can add your subject, you can add your start date and end date. You can also do start immediately and then never add. And then from here, you can also choose to do plain text and then HTML preview. So we're just going to fill out all of these details, and then we're just going to click on start immediately, and then we're going to use plain text. So for example, I just want to say hello world, and then after we type in the message right here, we can just click on create. We're going to add an end date first, so make sure that you have all of these filled out. Going to click on create, and then after that, there's point we're going to click on this first. We're going to toggle all of these details. Just make sure that we have it all together. We're just gonna click on never end, and we're going to click on start immediately, and then click on create. Just make sure that everything is going accordingly, and then from here you have it now set up, and that's it. You now here have your subject, your email, and then you can do your start and then never. Now that's it. Your recipient will start receiving automatic replies from then on. And that's it. All you have to do is you're going to save on changes, and the Hostinger will automatically send replies to incoming messages. And that is how you can create an automatic reply in Hostinger. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more.